Hey everyone, Tom is back again here at MGMClassicCars.com on this beautiful day in Addison, Illinois. Today I have this 1969 Chevrolet C10 Patina full frame-off restorations by a company in Tennessee called Slowpoke's Speed Shop in Jasper, Tennessee. Did a phenomenal restoration, full body off, full rotisserie restoration, documented with all of the photos. When we got this truck built by Jasper, they're in Jasper, Tennessee, they left it in a matte finish, and what we did here at MGM, we actually put a clear coat over the matte just to give it that pop. I even clear coated the gas tank. Super cool. Beautiful reflection on this paint as well. I'll talk about the motor in a second. So here's how it came originally with the matte finish, and I left that there just to give it a contrast, right? Beautiful door jambs. All this was painted in a silver gray matte. Continuing through the dash, all new gauges with 22 miles since the body off restoration. Air conditioning as well. Beautiful interior. Look at this. Beautiful on top. Every nut and bolt has been touched. Side exhaust, as you can see there. Underneath, you can eat off the car. You can eat off this truck, guys. Front power disc brake, as you can see there as well. All right, so a couple things about this truck here. It has a 383 stroker motor, Dart aluminum heads, mild cam in the motor, 750 Edelbrock carburetor, and you got the Doug Long tube headers. Carnage exhaust system with X-pipe. 350 turbo trans. Rear end's got a 342 gear ratio. One-piece drive shaft below. The truck has been lowered by Beltec 4x6 drop lowering kit. All new brakes, all new calipers, all new hoses, new parking brake cables, all new body bushings, all suspension brand new. Frame has been blasted, sealed, and painted as well. Drop-in fuel tank under the bed. Super cool, guys. Custom Jiffy fuel can for fuel filler to the tank. Custom patina paint, as we discussed, with a clear coat. New glass, new bumpers, new LED lights all around. New dash cluster with TAC Bluetooth radio. New seat, carpet, Dynamat, and floor. And obviously, as you can see here, the 20-inch US mag wheels. Everything written down. That's what I read off of it. But let me fire this up, guys. I really need you to hear it. Look at this. No need to even touch the gas pedal. Okay. Listen to this, baby. Serious pickup truck, man. Aluminum radiator, if I didn't say that before. Well, look at this paint. Guys, want to hear something cool? Check this out. Let's go for a test drive. I can't wait. issues there. Power steering feels excellent. Obviously, everything's brand new. Holy cannoli! That was a rolling. I slammed the throttle when I was rolling about 20 miles an hour. Transmission shifts excellent, guys. This is one killer truck, man. Wow. This thing handles amazing, like a sports car. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. We're located in Addison, Illinois at 150 South Church Street. 35,000 square foot building. Indoor showroom for you guys to come check out. 200 vintage classic muscle cars in stock. Wow. We finance and deliver. For financing, you'll need about 10% down. If your credit score is over 750, we have a no money down option. Credit application available at mgmclassiccars.com. And if you need delivery, text me with or call me with your zip code and I'll get you a quote as well. We're going to be headed back to the shop now, guys. It was really nice taking you guys for a test drive throughout these 8 or 9 minutes. We do service all of our vehicles here at MGM, and everything on this puppy works. So check us out, mgmclassiccars.com. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye. Oh, my number, 847-848-1850. My name's Thomas.